Welcome back to this new video. Today we are going to discuss about the free resources to learn generative AI topics. I will share you all the resources topic by topic, and I will also share with you the tips or strategy to make your learning more efficient. So please make sure that you watch this video till the end. In the previous video itself, we have talked around the field of generative AI and how the topic like LLM models, prompt engineering or prompt design, etc. is being integrated with the data science skill set, and how leveraging the efficiency of generative AI can make your life a lot easier as a data scientist. So in case you have missed that particular video, please consider checking that out. I will provide you the links somewhere on your screen, or you will find it below in the description box. And without any further delay, let's get started with today's video. So the first resource is coming from the website of Google. Google has created this learning path by curating a collection of 10 courses. Okay, and these courses are really amazing. In fact, myself, I have completed 9 out of 10. And these courses are based on generative AI products and technologies. So it covers from the fundamentals of LLM models to how you can create and deploy using the concept of generative AI solution on Google Cloud. If we go one by one, then it starts from the introduction of generative AI, then followed by the introduction to LLM models. It talks about the generative AI fundamentals and introduction to image generation as well. So you will be able to understand that what is the underlying technology behind the models like DALL-E 2 or Stable Diffusion. But I would say the most important topics that you get on this resource of Google website is these topics, starting from encoder-decoder architecture, then followed by attention mechanism and transformer models and BERT. In order to understand these 3 topics, you just need the prerequisite knowledge of deep learning. So if you have been following my deep learning tutorial and you have covered the ANN part, then you are good enough to go for it. And trust me, if you cover these 3 topics, this encoder-decoder architecture, followed by attention mechanism and BERT models, in that case, you will be able to lay a very strong foundation for generative AI field. Then the learning path also has a dedicated content on image captioning models. So basically you pass an image as an input to the model, and the image by itself will do the captioning. So it will be able to do object detection in the image, and it will be able to generate caption for the image. And then finally, Google has recently added this particular content, Introduction to Generative AI Studio. So Generative AI Studio is basically a service on GCP or Google Cloud Platform. Moreover, if you cover all these contents patiently, then you will not only gain a very good understanding around generative AI, in fact, you will also learn that how to create and deploy generative AI solutions on Google Cloud Platform. The other resource that I want to share with you is coming from the website of deeplearning.ai. So Andrew Ng and his team has curated a collection of these excellent tutorials entirely based on different types of interesting topics of generative AI. So starting from ChatGPT prompt engineering for developers to building systems with ChatGPT AI to LangChain, it covers a lot of things. Not only limited to LLMs, it also talks around that how diffusion model works. There is a dedicated content on evaluating and debugging generative AI, and this piece of content is extremely rare on internet. So I would say that Andrew Ng and his team has done an excellent job in order to produce this exclusive content. In fact, they are giving it for free of cost. So you don't have to pay anything at all in order to do these courses. In fact, you can also go by difficulty level in order to do these courses. So within the beginner tag, you have these courses around 5 to 6, and then you can also go by intermediate or advanced level of courses. Moreover, among all the contents which are available on internet based on generative AI and LLM models, I think these 2 at the moment, one from deeplearning.ai and the other one from Google, these 2 are the most informative ones, and it will help you a lot to lay a strong foundation around your understanding on generative AI topic. It will be really good if you are able to manage some time and effort from your end in order to complete these contents or topics. Otherwise, you simply stick to the channel, and going ahead in the future, myself, I will be creating dedicated tutorials on all of these topics. So this was it for today. I tried to share some useful resources with you. in case you are interested to learn generative AI. In the upcoming couple of lectures, I will be talking about LLM models and fundamentals of generative AI in dedicated lectures. So please subscribe to the channel if you are new here and consider pressing the bell icon. You will be notified as soon as I am uploading a new video. Thank you very much for watching. You have a nice day ahead.